A very warm good morning to my lovely students. I hope so you all are doing well at home and enjoying online classes. Babies, as you know that we are doing chapter 2 of English Reader. So today we are going to start its exercise work. So just let's start it. So babies, let's start today's exercise work. Here we are with comprehension of this chapter, and first we have question A, and question A says state true or false. So let's start it with its first part, and first part says Nani goes to the park every day. Now you tell me students, is it true? No, it's not true, so it is false. Now we have its second part, and it says Nani takes a lot of time to reach the park. Think over it. Is it true? Yes, you are right, babies, that Nani uses to go through many lanes to reach the park. So its answer is true. Now let's move to the next part of this, and that is part 3. And part 3 says the lane of treasures had a lot of shops. Is it true? Yes, this is true. Now let's move to the next part, that is part 4, and it says Venki quickly left the lane of happiness as he was scared of animals. Is that true? Was he scared of animals? No, he was loving it to watch them. So this is false. Now let's move to the next part, and next part is part 5, and it says Venki called the lane behind the school as the lane of noise. Is it true? Yes, this is true. Now we have the last part of this question, and that is part 6, and part 6 says the bookseller in the land of dreams sold new books for a lot of money. Is it true? Think about it. No. Why? This is not true. Because in the land of dreams, old books were sold for a little money. So this is false. Now let's move to the next question, and that is question B. Answer the following questions. Students, in today's class we are going to do only 3 parts of this question. So let's start with its first part, that is question 1, and question 1 is what does Nani do in the lane of treasures? So its answer is Nani does shopping in the lane of treasures. Now we have question 2, and question 2 says what happens in the lane of beauty? And its answer is the people stitch amazing goodies in the lane of beauty. Now we are at last question of today's session, that is question 3, and it says who does Nani call out in the lane of happiness? What do Nani and Venki do there? So its answer is Nani calls out the dogs and cats in the lane of happiness, and she pours the milk for them. Then Nani and Venki watch them till the animals lick their bowls clean. So students, that's all for today's session. I hope so you understood it very well. Now I wish you all a very happy weekend ahead, and see you on Monday. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Bye.